Okay, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be building a little jig circle template cutter outer thing for my plasma cutter. I've got a few projects coming up I want to use. I'm going to have to cut nice smooth radiuses and circles and stuff. So I'm going to throw together a quick little doo-wopper to help me cut out circles with the plasma cutter. So I'll show you how to do it. Fairly simple to do, and not too, I think it cost me 13 or 14 bucks. So here we go. Okay, this is what I got. I got a 5/8 washer. This is a 5/16 all thread coupler. These ones happen to have inspection holes in them. I don't know what you need to inspect, but whatever. I got a thumb screw. This is just, I think it was 6mm thread by 1/0 thread pitch. And then this is 1/4 inch cold rolled rod. Looks like about 3 foot length, but that's all we got. And so what I'm going to do here, this is the tip of my plasma cutter, and that washer goes right around this edge nice and good. So we're going to weld this onto the all thread coupler. This all thread coupler will slide down the rod, and then the thumb screw will drill this hole out bigger, weld that nut to the side of here, and then that will act as a stop to set wherever we want. We'll sharpen this to a point, and then we'll put a 90° in it, and then we can pilot hole in our piece that we need cut. We'll drill a little pilot hole that will stick in the pilot hole, and then that all thread will slide out however far we need, and then we can just rotate that around our pilot hole. So here we go. Let's see how this works. I don't have a brake or a vise or anything to bend this in, but I do have a big crescent wrench. So we'll see if we can't bend this one in here. That worked pretty good. Maybe a touch more. Hey, that'll work. Okay, what we got? I've got a point on here, so I can put a little pilot hole, drill a little hole in the center of whatever I need cut out. That should sit in there fine. Then I've got this piece. I've got a thumb screw to tighten this down, keep it from sliding. This is 5/16 all thread coupler. This is a 5/8 washer. Just happened to be the perfect size for what the tip of my plasma cutter runs. Now this will slide up and down real nice on this. So I can set, my hole here, mark it where I need it, get this about, takes a second to set up, lock that baby down, and now I can start plasma cutting and just cut where I need, if I need to do a radius or a whole circle or whatever. So it cost me about 13 bucks. It was like $13.40 at the local hardware store. And that will be good enough for what I needed to do. And so this should do, fairly short radius there. We'll see, we might have to cut this down a hair on the point because it might be a little high off the deck, but that shouldn't be no big deal. But yeah, that should be nice there. And then it gives me a handle here. I can push down and keep this pointed part in my piece there, and then just work this around as I need. Should be good. You'll probably see me use this coming up next couple videos. I'm thinking about, I'll have to go find some sheet metal. I'm gonna build some flywheel covers for when we paint an engine. Save us a lot of time. Instead of having to tape off the flywheel housing when we paint them, it'll be just slap the cover on the back, a couple bolts hold it on. Save us a lot of time. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope it helped somebody out. That was super simple, and that should be a good tool for the shop. So if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.